Sometimes the screen on your camera, even action cameras being used in non-action environments, is just too small to clearly frame and focus your shot. That's where this can come in handy, the Eyoyo E7S. There's no shortage of external camera displays on the market, yet the E7S blends some advanced level features at an affordable price point. Packaged alongside a basic user guide, we find the monitor itself. Weighing in at only 320 grams, the unit feels very light, yet very robust thanks to a tough plastic construction. On the front we have the 7-inch IPS panel capable of producing a 324 ppi 1920 by 1200 resolution image, providing for a nice sharp display. A standard 1/4" 20 metal tripod thread is found both below and above the unit, perfect for attaching to your camera as well as attaching another accessory up top. And when it comes to attaching to your camera, this is made easy thanks to the hot shoe mount supplied within the package, providing the ability to mount above a DSLR or any other standard camera with such a mounting shoe present. Nevertheless, across the top we also find the main power and various menu and navigational buttons, all providing a nice tactile feel when pressed. Finally, on one side we find audio in and out ports as well as HDMI in and out ports too, allowing for a video stream, even native 4K feeds, to enter the unit and be displayed on the panel, as well as feed through to a secondary monitor too. As it stands, the unit feels rather well built and robust, no issues there. Although my main issue with the package is there's no way to power the thing. A power port is present on the side, although a power adapter is not supplied within the box. What you do get are 2 battery adapters that can clip onto the rear, providing the ability to attach a standard F970 or LPE6 battery, which is nice for those out in the field, but there's no batteries supplied either, so you need to provide your own. In other words, another purchase is required before you can even use the thing. Nevertheless, you do receive a hood bracket that attaches to the screen rather easily, along with a hood that velcros straight onto the attached bracket nice and easy, simplifying viewing under bright conditions. When it comes to using the E7S, I had no major issues. The monitor performed as expected with a nice wide 170-degree viewing angle, ample brightness, and a 1000:1 contrast ratio. In fact, by entering the menus we have the ability to add peaking, exposure and histogram functions, all useful stuff for the pros out there. Used alongside a GoPro camera in this example, there were no problems at all. There's not much more one can say about an external monitor. It does exactly what it says on the box, and it does it rather well. Build quality is very good, as is general performance. My only problem is the lack of any means to power the device being supplied within the box. A single battery or even a power adapter would ensure buyers are up and running straight away, without having to wait for an additional purchase to arrive. If you already have a compatible battery spare though, then the E7S is certainly a good buy.